Good morning, fellow Plexers. Today I'm going to use my tablet to try and help Chris straighten out his HDHomeRun issue with Plex. So Chris, what I'd like you to do is use your Android or iOS phone to check a few things first. I'm on my OnePlus Pad tablet, an Android tablet, and I'm going to go into the app for my router. I have a Deco X60, a pair of them. And this is not anything you have to do, but I'm using it to illustrate something. I've reserved the address of my two HDHomeRun tuners so that the local IP address does not change. And a local IP address is not proprietary information. You'll see that the address of my Flex 4K tuner is 192.168.6873. And you'll see all my devices are on the same subnet. I'm not double natted. I have a fiber cable coming in from Verizon Fios. It goes to the ONT. I can plug my own mesh system or router into the ONT. So I want to verify that both your server and your HDHomeRun are on the same subnet. I think it makes sense to reserve the IP address of these tuners just like you would for a Plex server or the hardware of a Plex server. So that's one thing. Let's make sure that they're on the same subnet and that you're not double natted. Double natted would be using your own router or your own mesh routing system behind a required gateway device from your ISP. It's basically daisy chaining two routers. If you're in a setup like that, the ISP's equipment has to be in bridge mode so it doesn't handle any routing, and then your equipment handles the routing and distribution of Wi-Fi. So that's one thing to check. The other is to use your phone or your tablet for this. Download the HDHomeRun proprietary app, and when you first start it, if there's a firmware update, make sure you run that. So I'm not going to go any further past this, but use this app to test to see if your signal is coming through without buffering, to see if you can live stream all your channels. Because if you can't, we're not dealing with a Plex issue, we're dealing with an infrastructure issue somehow at your location. So we really need to determine that, and the proprietary app will tell us where to go next. All right, thanks for watching, and get back to me.